Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Phantom Wallet username. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Once the app is open, click on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will take you to the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the option that says Create Your Username at the top. Click on it and give it a moment to load. Next, tap on Continue. Now you can create your own username. After entering your desired username, click on Continue at the bottom of the screen. The app will check if your chosen username is available. If it is available, you will see a confirmation message. Click on Continue again to proceed to the next step, where you will create an avatar for your profile. You can choose any avatar you like. For this example, I'll select a simple one. Once you have chosen your avatar, click on Save. At this point, you will also have the option to copy your secret phrase. It's important to keep this phrase secure as it's essential for account recovery. After copying or saving your secret phrase, click on Continue and then create username to finalize the process. So that's basically how you can create a Phantom Wallet username. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.